Here is our evening primrose. They're huge. You can't even see where the walkways are up in between them now, where they've grown so much. But these bloom in the evening. Some of them's already started blooming. Look, butterflies and moths, and really all the pollinators just love these, and they're beautiful. You can't get no prettier than a field full of wildflowers. But we offer these. When you order, they get freshly dug out of here, and they're really big. Excuse the drip line, but see, is what you'll get is, see these right here? You pull that up and there's a root, really large root, and we ship the root. And then next spring, you'll have beautiful primroses, and honeybees and butterflies, and any pollinator just loves these. And birds, if you want to attract wildlife, this is the flower to get. It's gorgeous, and it gets very big. This right here is probably about 4 foot tall, and they're beautiful along walkways. We have 2 or 3 walkways here on the nursery with primroses. Pink are my favorite, but the yellow is absolutely stunning. We offer both colors. But we have plenty of these, and look, there goes a butterfly. I don't know if y'all seen it. There it is. That is a moth. But we offer these, and they're fresh dug, and order them while they last, because when winter time comes, we'll be almost out of stock. These come and go in about a month. These will all be dug out, and seeds will be replanted, and they won't be available until spring. So get them while they last. They're starting to open up. They open of the evening. But see, there's a lot of primroses.